What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna give you guys a quick review on this lawnmower. It's not gonna be a long review. It's just gonna be a quick, short review. Show you guys how to use the lawnmower real quick, and I'll show you what I did so far outside with the grass and all that. You know what I'm saying? So let me go ahead and pop the batteries in here. As y'all can see, I've been using it. So I have my charging station over here. My batteries are charging right now. They're fully charged. So let me go ahead and take it off, since I got one hand right now at the moment. So you want to open this and drop the battery in like here. So that's one battery. See that thing full charge. So that's how you put the batteries in. Just pull up on here and drop that bad boy in. It's in there. To start it, when you get it, it's gonna be right here on. You guys can see. So to start it, you put it on one to start it. This to go up and down. And here's the start switch right here. You push the button. Once you push the button, you pull. You push and hold the button, then you pull on this, and the lawnmower starts. So let me go outside real quick and do a little cutting on the grass and show y'all guys how it runs. How high the grass is. Super stupid high. I think y'all get the picture. Hold on, let me walk in the grass so y'all can see how high this thing is. I did that much before it died. And I did the front. You see how the front was just as high as the back. So this is the front. 2 bags of grass. That's the front. Yep, so that's where I'm at right now. Very great lawnmower. Only thing that sucks is the battery. Batteries suck. So you get this lawnmower, you're gonna need a couple batteries. Finishing product. Not too bad. Once our trimmer come, I trim all the rest of that up. My grass was just as high as next door. Yep, it's just as high as next door. I cut it all the way down. Still got a little patch right here to go through. And a little bit right here. Yep, that's it so far, man. Alright, so I'm outside with it. I'm about to start her up so you guys can see. you guys have it. Quick startup.